We are going to discuss an Ernst equation and electromotive force. So this type of question will ask in the examination point of view. Now we are going to see the detailed study of an Ernst equation. In Ernst equation, it is express the mathematical relationship between the standard electrode potential, temperature and the concentration of ion. Ernst equation can be written as follows: m power of n plus Ne electrons to form the metal. So this type of reaction taking place, so we can write down the equation E naught cell equal to E naught minus 2.303 RT by NF log concentration of M by concentration of Mn plus product concentration by reactant concentration. So where the terms are, we are going to see E naught equal to standard electromotive force of the cell, R equal to gas constant, T equal to absolute temperature, F equal to Faraday, N equal to number of electrons involved in the reaction or cell reaction. So concentration of M, activity of metal. So concentration of M power n plus n, activity of metal ion. So this is the concentration of products and this is the concentration of reactants. At 298 kelvins, 2.303 RT by NF equal to that value 0.059. So then we can write down the E cell equal to E naught minus 0.059 by N log concentration of M by concentration of Mn plus. So finally we conclude the one of the equation, that is the E equal to E cell equal to E naught minus 0.059 by N equal to log concentration of products by concentration of reactant. This equation you have to remember. By using of Nernst equation, we can easily find out the off cell potential or single electrode potential, or by using of Nernst equation cell potential or electromotive force we can find out. So equilibrium constant for the reaction, for the cell reaction we can find out by using of Nernst equation. The Nernst final equation we can remember E equal to E cell equal to E naught minus 0.059. Sometime we can write down that is the 0.059 equal to that is the 0.06 we can write down. For our convenience in calculation purpose we have to take that value also. So no problem, just you have to remember this equation here now. So next to subunit, that is the electromotive force, EMF. The difference in the potential between the two half cells of a cell is known as electromotive force, EMF of the cell. Difference in potential between the two half cells of a cell is known as electromotive force of the cell. Formula: E cell equal to E right minus E left. So E cell equal to reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode. E cell equal to E anode minus E cathode. So N, wherein here delta G naught equal to minus NF E naught, where N equal to number of electrons, F equal to Faraday, that value is the 96500. So 96500 value, that is the standard delta G can be calculated by using this formula. Okay, this is the two terms we are going to easily remember, that is the one is the Ernst equation and electromotive force. So what is the, it is express the mathematical relationship, this equation right now. So final conclusion here, final equation of Ernst equation, this one. Electromotive force definition and the notation you can remember as this. So very important, this is the